Mustang Sally!
So welcome back. We are back with Killian and Dennis, who have agreed to take on the lightning round challenge. How are you feeling, guys?
Very excited, very excited.
Nervous, you should be nervous.
Right. Is this a competition?
It's kind of a competition of who can shout the answer the loudest.
Okay.
Okay?
I think I've lost already.
Oh, hey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you a series of quick fire questions.
Okay.
I don't even want you to think about it, I just want you to shout out the answer.
Okay.
I'm ready for this.
Oh my goodness.
Let's play the game.
Okay, we're playing the game. So, can I just confirm you're ready for the lightning round?
Yes, we're ready.
Skinny jean or runner bean?
Skinny jean.
Runner bean.
Rock and roll or heartfelt soul?
Heartfelt soul.
Oh, there we go. Chips or a spoonful of honey?
Chips.
Oh, night in or night out?
Night out.
Oh,
What?
Kings of Leon or the Beatles?
Beatles.
Otis Redding or Aretha Franklin?
Aretha Franklin.
The Commitments or the Supremes?
The Commitments.
I want to hear the first one you were shouting. Keep going.
Superman pants or boxers?
Superman
Boxers.
pants.
Shaven Haven or Harry McClary?
Shaven Haven.
UCD or Trinity?
UCD.
Yes.
Hey, LP or MP3?
MP3.
Oh, Guinness or Madness?
Madness. I don't know what you're saying. You're talking.
Circle or square?
Are you Irish?
Circle.
Circle or square?
Circle.
Circle.
Blonde or brunette?
Brunette.
What are you saying?
Blonde, didn't I?
Brunette. What are you saying? Les Mis or Phantom?
Les Mis.
Les Mis.
Dublin or London?
Dublin.
London or New York?
London.
Olivier or Tony Award?
Olivier.
Bernie, Imelda or Natalie?
All
Natalie.
three.
Oh.
You are there. You are there.
Bro or ho?
Bro.
Mustang Sally or Take Me to the River?
Mustang Sally.
Jimmy or Deco?
Jimmy. Why did I say Jimmy? He shouted in my
Oh, I
ear.
was supposed to say Deco.
You boys have played with fire and you have been burned! High five.
You boys.
Thank you, so that was firm. Jesus. Thank you so much for that. See the commitments. These guys are as fun off stage as they're on stage.
Thank you.
Mustang Sally.